Hello and welcome to Stickly Business, where we aim to make complex financial concepts simple and accessible for everyone. Ever feel like your paycheck just vanishes the moment it hits your account? You work hard for your money, but without a plan, it can disappear before you even realize where it went. Today, I want to share a professional 5 step checklist that will help you take full control of your finances every single time you get paid. Move number one is to automate your savings and investments. Immediately, we call this paying your future self first because your long term security should always be your top priority. By setting up an automatic transfer for even a small percentage of your income, you ensure that your savings grow before you have the chance to spend them elsewhere. Move number two is to address your fixed obligations. These are your non negotiable expenses like rent utilities, insurance, and various subscriptions. Handling these costs right away provides you with peace of mind and protects your credit score from the sting of late fees. Move number three is to establish a budget for your variable essentials. This includes necessary costs like groceries and fuel, which can fluctuate from week to week. By assigning these dollars a specific job early on, you prevent the stress of running out of funds before your next payday arrives. Move number four is to allocate funds for your personal wants and future goals. Budgeting for dining out or hobbies is perfectly healthy as long as it is done with intention at the same time. Consider setting aside small amounts for sinking funds to cover occasional costs like car maintenance or holiday gifts. Finally, move number five is to perform a brief budget review. Take just 5 minutes to ensure your plan is balanced and make any small adjustments needed for the weeks ahead. Remember that financial management is not about perfection, but about consistent and mindful habits. Thank you for joining me today at Stickly Business, and I look forward to helping you grow your financial confidence. Would you like me to generate a similar professional script for another topic like the hidden business model of McDonald's?